Hey there. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get the transcript from any YouTube video. If this helps you out, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. So, what's a transcript? Basically, it's the text version of everything that's said in a video. Super useful if you want to copy quotes, take notes, or just prefer reading instead of listening. All right, let's jump in. First, head over to the YouTube video you want the transcript from. Once you're there, scroll down a bit and look for the video description. You'll see a little arrow or more option. Click that to expand it. Now scroll all the way down until you see a section labeled Transcript. You'll also see a button that says Show Transcript. Click that. Boom. The transcript will appear on the right side of your screen with all the text neatly broken down by timestamps. You can now read through it, copy what you need, or just use it however you like. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials. Thanks for watching.